Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we have a 10k free account that Bullwave Prime is giving. So basically I'm gonna take you through the process how you can get the account. And yeah, so you're gonna get the link in the description or in the comments section, the first comment that is pinned, and also the first link in the description. So first of all, you have to have an account with Bullwave. So let's sign up first, and yeah, you have to enter your email. So let me enter mine real quick. So after entering your email, you're gonna get this reset password prompt, and then you have to reset the password. This is the way that you have to set your password, and you click here on reset. And yeah, you have to enter your password and confirm it. So let me go ahead and enter mine. So the password is not matching. It's so after setting up your password, you have to log in. So let me start with the password right here, and then my email. Let me enter my. So after logging in, this is where we are. So to claim the account, you have to select this two-step and choose this 10k account. So for the account coupon code, this is the most important part. So what you're gonna do is to enter free 10k and then apply. So as you can see, this before we apply this code, this cost $99. So let's apply this and see what happens. Yeah, so as you can see, it is now $0, so which is absolutely free. You don't have to do anything else. So let's go ahead and click here. Yes, as you can see, challenge unlocked successful. I mean, yeah, you can go through all of this, and yes, this is your target. He has unlimited time and 3 minimum days to pass. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and hope you guys find this helpful. And as you can see, I have already received my credentials, my MT5 credentials, and I don't want to show you guys the password and everything, but yeah, here's my credentials, and up there is my account details and password. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So to get the link for this free account, check the first link in the description and the first link pinned in the comment. Thank you guys for watching.